So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can download Git Bash for Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now you search for Git Bash download. Now here, click on this first link. And now here click on Git for Windows x64 setup. Now this says unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on download unverified file. Now as you can see here, the setup is downloaded. Let's run it. In the USC prompt, click on yes. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Now click on next again. Click next. Now here select let Git decide. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next again. Now next again. Click on next. Next. Keep going next. Now finally click on install and this will start installing Git Bash. Now uncheck this option. Click on finish and Git Bash is installed. Now let's run it. For this press Windows key. Now here type Git, press enter and this will launch Git Bash. So this I can download Git Bash for Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.